Tip number 9, really kind of a brief discussion around having a mission statement for my company. The fact of the matter is, do I really want a mission statement? Mission statements are used kind of to define what we want to be, and in a way, we can actually kind of define in general how we might be that. In my company, we actually have a mission statement. The mission statement is better business, better life, better industry. Our belief is that if we can help you have a better business, that you'll actually have a better life. And if you have a better business and a better life, it's going to improve our industry. Now, where that came from is my father. I watched my father work himself to death over the first 40-some years of my life. And he was a shop owner who owned a shop. I wouldn't say that he failed. He didn't fail. When he retired at the age of 71 after having a stroke, he had some money in the bank. He had loyal customers that came to him for a very long time. I wouldn't say he succeeded either because, frankly, when he did sell his business, it had very little value, and if he had to put money away, squirreled money away throughout his life, he probably wouldn't have had much. Dad passed away about a year and a half after retiring, got pneumonia, died, did not spend a lot of time with his family as we were growing up. And if I had not worked for my father for 17 years, I wouldn't have gotten to know him. So as a younger person, I resented or regretted the fact that my father wasn't around. He was always working. And unfortunately, if you miss those times, you don't build those relationships at a young age with your children, later it becomes more and more difficult. It's harder and harder. So mission statement. Our mission statement comes out of my need to build a better industry so that more shop owners and more shop owners' children don't go through the things that I went through. Now, when you get to mission statement, I think if you have one, you put it on the wall. If it's just there to be there and it's not something you're going to live with, I think it's a mistake. I'd rather see a company not have a mission statement than have a mission statement that they cannot work towards, that they do not work towards, that they do not really care about. I think you're actually telling your employees, hey, here's this thing on the wall, but I really don't give a darn. And I think that reduces trust, and I think it's a bad thing. So, however, I would also say that literally, I think every company should have a mission statement. You should have a mission statement that you're willing to live through, that you're willing to work towards, and that you're willing to struggle with, frankly, and make sure that your employees know and understand what that is. A mission can be anything you want it to be, frankly. It can be to do a lot of work. It can be to be honest. There's different mission statements for different companies. And if you want to get more information, Google mission statements, look at some of the companies that are familiar to you and what their mission statements are. It'll give you a good idea. I think it's too short of a time for us to really get too much deeper into this. So determine that you need a mission statement, write a mission statement, and my advice would be start it yourself, but then work with your employees so that your employees are involved in creating the mission statement for your company. I know several shop owners that have done that, and it's done really well for them, got their employees invested and involved, and then go out and work hard towards attaining that mission statement. Now, don't be afraid of missing. We miss sometimes. We struggle to get there, and you can adjust your mission statement along the way if your mission changes. Thank you very much for your time today.